In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to meeting invitations in Google Calendar. This process is quick, easy, and will keep you on top of all your scheduled commitments. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see your calendar view with all your scheduled events and invitations. If this is your first time using Google Calendar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will be the hub where you manage all your appointments. Next, you need to locate the meeting invitation that has been added to your calendar. These will typically appear as shaded blocks in your schedule, often accompanied by the meeting's title and time. Google Calendar is designed to integrate seamlessly with your Gmail, so if someone sends you a meeting invitation, it should automatically pop up here. Take a moment to browse through the days or weeks to find any invites you need to respond to. Once you've found the meeting you're looking for, go ahead and click on the event. This will open up a more detailed view of the event, displaying important information such as the time, location, attendees, and any notes or attachments added by the organizer. It's crucial to review these details to ensure that the meeting aligns with your schedule and you have all the necessary information beforehand. After reviewing the details, you'll see an option next to the word going. Here you have three choices: yes, no, or maybe. Choose the option that best reflects your availability and intention to attend. If you're certain about attending, click yes. If the meeting doesn't fit in your schedule, select no. And if you're unsure or need to wait for more information, choosing maybe lets the organizer know that you haven't made a definite decision yet. Additionally, if you want to provide some context or communicate directly with the organizer, you have the option to add a note. To do this, simply click on Add Note and type your message. This can be useful if you want to explain why you might arrive late or if you have any specific questions regarding the meeting. It's a great way to maintain transparent communication. Finally, once you've made your selection and added any notes, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that your response is recorded and the meeting organizer receives your RSVP. Keeping your calendar managed and updated not only helps you stay organized, but also demonstrates your professionalism and respect for other people's time. And there you have it. You now know how to respond to meeting invitations using Google Calendar. This essential skill will keep you coordinated and informed about all your professional and personal commitments. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.